Hello, kids. Let's speak English sentences. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Go and brush your teeth. Go and brush your teeth. Come and have your breakfast. Come and have your breakfast. Let's go and plant a tree. Let's go and plant a tree. Wash your hand before eating. Wash your hand before eating. It's time to do your homework. It's time to do your homework. Let's clean the room together. Let's clean the room together. Please pass me the ball. Please pass me the ball. Let's go outside and play. Let's go outside and play. Go and wear your shoes. Go and wear your shoes. Come, let's read a book. Come, let's read a book. Time to take a bath. Time to take a bath. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Hold my hand while crossing the road. Hold my hand while crossing the road. Keep your toys back in the box. Keep your toys back in the box. Let's make a sandcastle. Let's make a sandcastle. Let's bake a cake together. Let's bake a cake together. Let's draw a rainbow. Let's draw a rainbow. Let's sing a song together. Let's sing a song together. Come, let's dance. Come, let's dance. Let's watch a movie together. Let's watch a movie together. Let's pack your school bag. Let's pack your school bag. It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner. Let's count the star. Let's count the star. Put on your jacket, it's cold. Put on your jacket, it's cold. Let's ride a bicycle. Let's ride a bicycle. Let's go to Grandma's home. Let's go to Grandma's home. Come and sit with me. Come and sit with me. Let's go and buy some ice creams. Let's go and buy some ice cream. Let's go and see the sunset. Let's go and see the sunset. Let's play with the puppy. Let's play with the puppy. Let's wash your face. Let's wash your face. Please like and subscribe the channel. Please like and subscribe the channel. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.